Have you removed your heater core in your 64 to 66 Mustang and now you've got holes in the firewall that you want to plug up with a plate? Then I've got the part for you. This is a new heater plate from KruseBuilt.com. Let's take a look at the parts we're going to use to install this thing. So in the kit, what you get is this aluminum piece that's powder coated black to match kind of pretty much anything. You've got the hardware. We're going to install some studs in here, and then you've got nuts for the engine side of the firewall, and then you've got this gasket. Now this piece, it's got an adhesive back, so we'll stick it on here and make that fit when we're done. But first thing we want to do is get the studs in place, and I want to point out the way this thing is set. If you look at it this way and you've got the cut over here on this side, the studs are going to come in through the back side, and this will fit the firewall cutout of the 64 to 66 Mustang. So we'll thread all four of these guys through here from the back. And then we're going to want to tighten them all down. And then we're going to want to tighten all of them down. And what this is going to do is it's going to keep the stud in place, and you won't have to have someone or something holding the bolt there while you put the nut on the front side. And then we're going to take the gasket and we will just peel off this paper off here, and you can start it anywhere, it doesn't matter, and we're just going to put it along the edge of the face with the studs on it, and we'll go all the way around the perimeter with this. And this gasket comes long, just so we have enough to cut on here, so when we get to the end here, we'll just cut off the excess. All right, now that is ready to install in the car. So we'll go in from the passenger side, and you'll see the four holes here, and those bolts are gonna line right up with that. And you might be able to just set them in here and it might just hold in place for you. If not, you could put a piece of masking tape on here, but that should be enough just to hold it in here, and we'll go put the nuts on the other side. And then from the engine side, we'll take the nuts that we've got and we'll just thread them on here. And we'll use a 7/16 socket to secure these and drive them all the way down. And just like that, we are installed. This thing's covering the hole here from the fan. It's covering the two holes that the heater hose went through, and we're secured and sealed up. And just like that, you're good to go. All you need is a 7/16 socket or a wrench. You can install it pretty easily, and you're set up. Again, you can go to KruseBuilt.com to get this heater block-off plate for the 64 to 66 Mustang. You're back on the road in no time. We'll see you in the next one.